What's up guys? Today's video is about the top 5 best hand trucks for stairs of this year through extensive research and testing to put together a list of options. So what are the price, performance, and particular use? For more information on the products, do I have to include the links in the description box below, which is updated for the best prices? Like the video, do comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Number 1. Harper Trucks 700 lb. This lightweight, 26-pound Harper Trucks hand truck offers an optimal combination of strength, durability, and versatility, making it our best overall pick for a foldable hand truck. This was the first glass-filled nylon hand truck we'd used, and we were skeptical that it would hold up to hauling a heavy load. We were wrong. The hand truck is designed to handle a maximum load of 600 pounds in upright mode and 700 pounds in cart mode. We didn't put that much weight on it, but we did load up approximately 400 pounds without any sagging or wheel drag. Converting to a horizontal dolly cart was simple and required removing the yellow handle, laying the unit down, and reinserting the handle on the top side. The large wheels are solid rubber, and the 2 caster wheels are nylon, allowing the hand truck to roll smoothly in both configurations. This is an excellent folding hand truck and dolly for someone who wants to move heavy items and needs both a cart and an upright configuration at times. Number 2. Vergo Industrial 400 lb. There's a lot to like about the Vergo Industrial hand truck, which features an oversized toe plate, 23 inches long by 15.5 inches wide, solid rubber tires, an extendable handle, and a load capacity of 400 pounds. Yet, it weighs just 26 pounds, and we had no problem lifting it to load in the back of our truck or carrying it down the basement stairs to store. While this Vergo model doesn't convert to a dolly cart, we could load large items without worrying that they'd fall off thanks to the oversized toe plate. The handles on this hand truck are well designed and include a horizontal loop handle and pistol grip handles that are more comfortable when hauling heavy loads. We like this hand truck but would have preferred it to have 10-inch tires rather than 8-inch tires. We had a bit of trouble with the unit scraping on the steps as we went up and down, but larger tires would likely solve that problem. Number 3. COSCO hand truck. For users who have several different types of items to move regularly, the versatility of the COSCO 4-in-1 hand truck will be welcome. It functions as a standard upright hand truck for use with or without a rolling assist arm that stabilizes heavy loads. This model quickly converts to a rolling cart with the simple push of a button for moving bulkier items. If need be, the toe plate folds flat against the cart, making it a platform cart that can carry items longer than the length of the cart itself. It's designed to move up to 800 pounds in upright mode and up to 1,000 pounds in cart mode. We tested the hand truck with about 450 pounds, and it rolled easily as a hand cart. We reduced the weight to take the hand truck up and down the steps, and it performed well there, too. The 10-inch solid rubber wheels kept the underside from scraping. Number 4. Wellmax 660 lb. The Wellmax platform hand truck is simple in design but serves as a valuable hauler for bulky items on flat surfaces. We loaded about 450 pounds on the platform, and it still rolled easily across the driveway and on sidewalks. This model will not serve as a garden cart since it doesn't function as well on dense grass or gravel and is also not for use on steps. We tried and failed. However, the Wellmax hand truck is well suited to moving large format items, such as washers, dryers, and refrigerators, across paved surfaces. The large base measures 28.7 inches long by 18.7 inches wide and has a non-slip surface to help prevent items from sliding. Number 5. Harper Trucks Appliance. Our final pick is not a folding hand truck, but with such a narrow footplate, 4 inches wide, it's just as easy to store in small spaces as many of the folding models. Plus, this hand truck bears the Harper Trucks name, the same brand as our best overall pick, and it's very well designed. This Harper Trucks hand truck offers features that other models on this list don't have, a heavy-duty nylon strap and an offset belt tightener for holding bulky items, such as dryers or refrigerators, securely in place while moving. We loaded a large box on the hand truck, secured it with the strap, and then used the handle in the back to tighten the strap, ensuring the box was securely locked onto the narrow footplate. In addition, we liked the stair slides on this model. When we tipped the hand truck back and pulled it up the stairs, the slides located near the bottom independently rolled and protected the stairs while allowing us to pull the load up without lifting it. If you enjoy this video, like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon for more interesting videos like this.